Mastering Old Woodworking. The Pole Lathe Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic that combines history, craftsmanship, and the English language. We're going to explore the meaning of the term, pole lathe, and discover why it's such an important phrase for those interested in traditional woodworking. Whether you're an English learner, a history enthusiast, or a craftsperson, you'll find something of value in this video. So, let's dive in and learn all about the pole lathe. A pole lathe is a simple machine used for wood turning. It is a tool that has been used for centuries to shape wood into various objects. The pole lathe is operated by a foot pedal which turns a piece of wood rapidly back and forth while the craftsman shapes it with a sharp tool. It's a brilliant example of using human power to create beautiful and functional items. It's fascinating how this traditional device has been a foundation for many woodworkers around the world throughout history. Let's break down the pole lathe and its components. A typical pole lathe consists of a frame, a treadle, or foot pedal, a springy pole or a branch overhead, and a cord which wraps around the workpiece. When the treadle is pushed down with the foot, the pole bends and the cord spins the workpiece. Releasing the treadle allows the pole to spring back, rotating the workpiece in the opposite direction. The simplicity of the design is part of its genius, making it an excellent topic for English learners to expand their vocabulary related to tools and motion. The pole lathe dates back to the Middle Ages and has been crucial in the development of woodworking. It was especially prominent before the Industrial Revolution when machines started to be powered by steam and electricity. The pole lathe's design and functionality are a testimony to human ingenuity in creating solutions with limited technology. Discussing its history gives us a window into past lifestyles and industries, making it a perfect subject for historical and cultural exploration in English language learning. When learning a language, understanding the context in which terms are used can be just as important as knowing their definitions. The phrase, pole lathe, is a compound noun. Two words combine to describe a single concept. Compound nouns are very common in English, especially when talking about objects or technology. Knowing how to correctly use compound nouns like pole lathe can help you sound more natural and fluent in English. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what a pole lathe is and why it's such a cool subject to talk about, especially when learning English. This age-old tool not only teaches us about the history of woodworking but also gives us insight into the English language and the evolution of technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice talking about the pole lathe and other compound nouns to improve your English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.